It's very important that we are aligned. Good. And. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we stop. Only half of our pound hit the drum. And if you have a ring, don't hit hard, okay? It might bend the ring or... Okay, so let's try. After 4, 1, deep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alternate our hands. 4, 4, 4. Good. So this is the tone. And. Now, after 4, we double the speed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Clap for them. Yeah. Now I think you can now start working in our company. I'm just joking. Before that, let's go back to the base. Okay? The base is very important. Okay? Later on, when you're out of rhythm, just stop and back to the base, the foundation. Are you ready? Everybody, let's start with the base after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saba. Aha. Yeah. So remember, in drumming, this is not about yourself. This is not about what I can do alone. This is about working together, connection, alignment, teamwork, so that we can grow as one team. One beat, one team. After me. As you can see, there's a space in between the bass, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try innovation. Are you ready for that? Aha! So after 4, I want you to add a tone in between the basses. Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In drumming, like any other thing, it's very important to listen. Okay? To listen and adjust. This is not just about yourself. We are working together as one team. So everybody, find your place in this group. Whatever your beat, if you are aligned, you are contributing so much. So are you ready to make music? Yes! I hear you! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes! People in the back, come on, go for that! Come on! Hey! 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 first you don't know what to do, but now you are like a professional drummers. Yeah, come on, here we go. Now after 4, I want you to be creative enough. Play your own, make your own beat. Okay, remember, there's no mistake here, okay? Just express yourself and enjoy the rhythm. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, go! Thank you so much for drumming with us. Thank you. Who wants to try? Go to tone na nasa kilid, no? Half sa inyong palad should hit the drum. So after 4, we go to the side of the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tone. So this is a tone. And yes. Now after 4, back to the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the middle. Yep. Good. And. Now 1, 2, back to the tone. And 1, 2, back to the bass. Yeah. Go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, this time after 4, 1 bass. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Magkamali sa ayos to nga. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Use your other hand. Alternate your hand. Go, 4.